This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea at home for one person. First, gather your essentials. You'll need your preferred tea, whether it's loose leaf or a single tea bag. Grab a mug, a kettle, and if you're using loose leaf, a tea infuser. Make sure you have fresh, cold water ready to boil for the best flavor. Next, let's get that water hot. Fill your kettle with about 8 ounces of fresh, cold water and bring it to a boil. While it heats, put 1 teaspoon of your loose leaf tea into an infuser or simply place 1 tea bag directly into your mug. Once the water is ready, carefully pour it over the tea. Now for the steeping. For black tea, let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes to achieve a rich flavor. If you're making green tea, steep it for 2 to 3 minutes to avoid any bitterness. Once the time is up, carefully remove the tea infuser or tea bag from your mug. Finally, it's time to customize and enjoy your delicious tea. Feel free to add milk, sugar, honey, or a slice of lemon, depending on your preference. Give it a gentle stir to mix in any additions. Now, sit back, relax, and savor your perfectly brewed, warm cup of tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.